Hello everyone. So if you have any website and suppose you don't have any effects, you don't have any transitions, it does not look visually appealing, visually engaging. So the whole idea behind adding animations and transition to your website is to make it more attractive, look-wise and feel-wise beautiful, and visually appealing, visually engaging. All right, and it's also provide a good user experience and these things is helps to your customer will stay for a long time on a website, and it also make rememberable user experience, rememberable user journey. All right, so in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add these effects, this transition to your Next.js application using animate on a scroll library. All right, so let's get started. I have a video created for you. Alright, so I have my website here and I have added these effects to the cards as well as few other components like footer and these buttons and some text. Okay, so now I want to show you how you can configure animate on a scroll with Next.js. So I have already written a blog for that and I have added all the instructions. You can visit my website and you can follow these instructions. In addition, you can also follow the official website documentations. I will add the both links in the description. Okay, so now let's go to the blog and let's see what we have to do. All right, so basically there are a couple of steps you have to follow. First step is to just install the library using the npm install. Then you have to import the css file and you need to initialize animate on a scroll library inside a use effect hook, and if you are using class based component then you have to initialize it inside the componented mount hook. Okay, so now this is pretty straightforward. You can follow these instructions. You can easily add these effects. You can easily configure animate on a scroll library. However, I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's back to the terminal. Let's first open my website locally and let's open it. Localhost 3000. So these effects are not yet added. Okay, so now I'm going to configure it. Let's back to Visual Studio Code and I'm going to open a new terminal and now let's copy the first step. All right, let's copy it and install it. It will take some time and after that we can configure it. Okay, so now let's wait for the installation. Meanwhile, let's check the second step. The second step is to import the css file as well as the javascript component from AOS. So let's go to pages and here we have app.js and scroll down and I'm going to add it right here. So I have imported the use effect from React and AOS library, AOS and its CSS. Okay, now now we have to initialize it. So I want to copy it and you can add it in this method. Okay, so I have added a few default properties, initial properties. You can always change them. If you make the false once, then it will work infinite times. If you make it true, then this animation will work only once. Okay, and now we have installed the package and we have initialized and configured the AOS, but we haven't yet added any effects to these components. So now I'm gonna add that effect to this card. Okay, so the next step is, oops, what's this? Okay, let me drag it right here. Okay, So now next step is to we just need to add this data AOS and then the type of the animations that you want to apply to that element, and that is it. So let's go to components and tag simple, and inside I have card component and I'm gonna add it right here. Now it should work. Let's come back and refresh it, and voila, it's working. Alright, so now we have successfully installed the AOS library and configured and have added the effect to the card. And for the more effects, you can always check the official website, and you can always customize some properties and these effects. For example, if I go to here and if I want to change this effect, for example fade right, and come back. Alright, now it's working in different way. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, just a like button, and if you still have any comments or any query, you can always post your queries or comments or any feedbacks in comment box. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.